Hello, hello, hello. Hello, friend. Welcome to the another class of Canva. And today I choose the topic of YouTube thumbnails. And I have chosen the topic YouTube thumbnail because a lot of people are creating content on YouTube, and your viewers or anybody knows about your YouTube content first through your thumbnail. Thumbnail is like the poster or banner of a film which uh, tell you everything about that. So it's very important to make the YouTube thumbnail very good, because if your YouTube thumbnail is not good or it's not self-explanatory, then nobody will click. Then your um, click ratio will be very low. So we have to make a YouTube thumbnail very good and very attractive. And there are various ways of making YouTube thumbnails. First way is you can make through templates. Template means there are some ready-made structure of YouTube thumbnails according to your need, and you can simply use that, adjusting some thing in that. Okay, and another is you can make YouTube thumbnail from scratch. When you know about how to make thumbnail properly, you can make it from scratch. And from scratch, if you want to make from scratch, it will always be good, because you will make according to your need. And third, nowadays you can make YouTube thumbnail in Canva with AI also. So Canva has enabled AI feature also. In that feature, you can make thumbnails, and that thumbnails you can make simply by writing prompts. In the prompts, you don't have to write anything else, but your need. What do you want to see in the thumbnail? And they will create the AI will create for you four thumbnails, and they also allow changes in that according to your need. You can changes in that, writing the prompts that I want this color, I want that color, I don't like this color. And after, when you select one of the thumbnail, you can go in the Canva editor and you can adjust this also. So today I'm going to use uh, all these techniques in Canva. Okay, and in the last, I will going to tell you about that most easiest way. That if you don't know how to make thumbnails, then go to YouTube, and whatever thumbnail of your competitor you like, you download it, grab it, and adjust according to your needs. Okay, this is the easiest way. So, and in the last, we will going to see that I've also written a book on why YouTube thumbnails are important. I'm sharing with all of you the book. I'm showing you the book, uh, and I will share on my WhatsApp group also the book. You please read it. Uh, that will be very important. Very minute details are there to make a good thumbnail. I will show you the preview of the okay. So this is the book I have written for you. This is very comprehensive book I have written. Whatever I know, and with the help of AI, and whatever I know, I make this book, and this will make if you read all the book and implement it, it will make you a very good YouTube thumbnail maker. See, in the first chapter, what is that? The complete guide to creating viral YouTube thumbnails. Okay, why thumbnail YouTube thumbnails matters? What makes thumbnail viral? Right? See, high contrast, clear text, emotional appeal, like faces showing strong emotions, curiosity gap, creating intrigue without revealing anything, everything, professional quality, sharp, well composed. And the thumbnail success formula is CTR, click through rate. Click through rate is not simply the thing that if 100 people saw your thumbnail and 10 has clicked it, then it is the 10% rate. So your goal is to achieve CTR of 10% or higher. If 100 people see your thumbnail and more than 10 people, 10 or 11 people click on that, then your thumbnail is very good. See? So understanding viral thumbnail psychology, the science behind clicks, 3-second rule. Viewers make a decision about your video in approximately 3 seconds. Your thumbnail must communicate. So, see, the facial expression should be there, the curiosity gap technique. Okay, like uh, you have claimed something on the YouTube thumbnail, but you don't uh, reveal how you will get that. So curiosity will there. So they will click on your thumbnail. Chapter 2, using how we can make it. We can make it using templates. We can customize it. Okay. So lots of things are there. Okay. Everything is there. How you can use any. Why should you? Uh, why should you color any color, like white text plus black outline, yellow text plus black outline? Everything is there. So if you read it carefully, it will give you a very detailed outline about how to create very good thumbnail. Okay. So after the class, I will share this book. Please read it and implement it. If you implement it properly, I'm sure that you will make very good thumbnail. Okay. Now let's start the class. So first, I will cover uh, how to make good thumbnails from templates. Okay. So either you make thumbnails from templates or anything. Two, three things you have to remember. First, that before making thumbnails, you have uh, your topic clear on what topic you want to make thumbnail. And second thing, what are the elements you want to introduce on in it? What are the text? What are the elements? What are the pictures? Everything you have to first decide that, collect that, and after that use that. Okay. So if you don't collect that or use that elements or designs, if you don't prepare for that before making YouTube thumbnails, you can't make a good YouTube thumbnails. Okay. So first I'm going to show you how to make YouTube thumbnails from templates, and this is from Canva. Okay. So for that, what we have to do first, we have to go to our Canva, and this I am showing for the free version. Later I will also show you. So what we should do, this is the dashboard of Canva. So here you see your designs. If you click on here, your designs, whatever you earlier made will come at the bottom of the page. Templates, if you click on the templates will appear. Okay. So I am clicking on templates. So if I click on templates, all type of templates will appear. Either it's YouTube thumbnail, poster, banner, greeting cards, visiting cards, anything. So if you click on templates, lots of templates open, you have to write here YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so if you write YouTube thumbnail, the thumbnail which opens are of various categories, because you haven't specified here. So if you want a YouTube thumbnail for a specific purpose, you have to write that, like educational, write gaming, write traveling, write food blogging, or for bhakti channel or song, anything you can write. So if you write that, you will get the thumbnails according to that. If you write only YouTube thumbnail, you will get thumbnails of every uh, type. Okay, let's see. So I have written YouTube thumbnail. So I have I haven't specifically mentioned anything. So all the thumbnails open. If I like that, see this thumbnail I like. I click on that. So this type of dashboard open. If I want to customize it, I have to click here, customize this template. Okay. So here you see one thing more that earlier I have told you also, that this type of it, you see that here NEWO is coming in front of the uh, image, and ONE in back of the image. How we can make it, that we will show. So whenever you choose a template, first thing you have to do to see what are the elements in that. First thing, because if you start with that, when you make your thumbnail from scratch, you know how many elements have been used in the template. Okay, so seeing that YouTube thumbnail, you see, you might think that is it's very simple, but at least there are 8 to 10 elements are there. So for knowing the template, what should we do? First, we go to the thumbnail, click on it, simply click on it. See, this type of buttons will appear. Okay, edit, color button is there, flip button is animate. So click on the position. When you click on the position, on the left hand side, this type of dashboard will appear. So click on the layers. When you click on the layers, all the elements will appear here. Okay, so in this thumbnail, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This black is background. Above that, this one is this type is another background. Now four type of five type of text and one images. So on whichever element you click, a square box appear on that element, and every characteristic of that element will be shown here. Which type of font is there, which size is there, which color is there, everything will be shown. Let's see, when I hover on any elements, it will show you. Now if I hover any element, see, square appear on that, and you can see. So let's customize this template according to our need. So first, what we have to do, we have to change to image or the text according to our need. First, I'm changing this text, and to change this text, hover on that text. When the square will appear, double click it and change the name to the name you require. I'm changing it to my name. Okay, Anup Agrawal. Okay, now from here you can change the fonts also. I'm using Gagalam fonts. And after that, if you want to change the color, you can change the color from here. See, I have changed the color to yellow. Now I want to put some effects. So what will I do? I click on the effects. My effects are there. I've chosen the neon effect and change the intensity. See, yellow neon is there. Now I want to change the image. So first I deleted the image, and after that, what should I do? I have to go to upload section. See, this is the upload section. A cloud is there on the left side. See, beneath brand, and in that you have to upload your images. And before uploading any images, please remove the background, because in the free version you can't remove the background in Canva. So for removing the background, I already tell you that one site is there, that is BG Remover. Go and use it and download the uh, background removed image and use the upload this image here, and now you can use that image. So I want to use this image. So what should I do? I simply click and drag this image. See, this image has come. Now, one thing you see that when I deleted the image, earlier image, and um, fixed my image, what's happened? You see that the word structure that was looking very good is not now there. So what's the problem? Let's see. First, we have to adjust our image according to our need. Okay. After adjusting the image, what should we do? We go on the click on the position and go to the layers. And here, what we have to do that here, new one has two image, two elements. See, one is this one, and one is this is second one. See, this new one is hollow one, and this is new one is solid one. So we have to put our image in between these two. So I have to drag my image from here to above new one and below this hollow one. Okay. So it will come between them and it will give the same effect that earlier was there. Okay. See. So what I'm doing, I'm dragging my image above the new one. See, same effect has come. Now you adjust your image to make it more beautiful. Okay. Now I want to change this new song, new song to Canva classes. So what should I do? I have to click here. First, I'm changing this one, 24th May 2030, that to 11 December. Okay. If you want to change the font, you can change the font. Now I'm changing this one, new song to Canva class. So simply I go and click there. One square will appear, and then double click it and type whatever you want to type. I've done Canva classes. That is too long, so I have to make it short. To make it short, uh, the font smaller. I have to go here and click reduce it by clicking on minus. See, now I have to adjust that. So simply click on the Canva class and adjust according to your need. But I'm seeing that the font is not okay. So I again click on that and going to change the fonts. Which font I want? Let's see. No, I selected one more font. That was not good. No, that is not also good. Looking good. So I use Gagalam font. Okay, Canva classes. Now after that, I increase the size and adjust according to my need. Okay. After that, what we have to do? Let's see. I want to put some elements here. Okay, to make it more pretty or more catchy or more viral. So I look for black gradient. That is this type of effect are there. So I am using it at the here, this part below my image, to make to look to make it more beautiful. So this gradient is not good. No, 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 this is not good. I'm going to use another gradient. Let's delete it and use another gradient. Let's see this. So now I adjust according to my need. So, see, so all this you will know when you practice it. If you practice it, you will know how to adjust it. So I'm adjusting according to my need. Okay. Okay. Now it has been adjusted. Image has been adjusted. Words are adjusted. Now I want to put Canva logo here. So for what? For that, what should I do? I gone to upload, and I have earlier uploaded a Canva logo there. So I simply drag it here and place it here and adjust according to my need. See, you can make it small from dragging from the corner. See, when you click on this Canva logo, this type of box will appear. Okay. Now I'm changing the color of this text, making it same like this. Okay. Okay. Adding the same effect. Now, whenever you make any YouTube thumbnail, two, three things you have to remember. Never use too much colors, three colors or four colors. Okay. And never use gradient colors in the text, because it doesn't look good, because your thumbnail you have to see on your mobile also. So in your on your mobile, if you put too much text and too much colors, you can't see properly the thumbnail. And if anybody don't see your thumbnail properly in single glance, how can they open your video? So you have to keep minimum words and minimum colors, three colors or four colors, and never use multiple colors. Okay, like you make a rainbow, anything. Okay, logo is of three colors. See, you see the Coca-Cola colors, two color, Pepsi color, two color. These company are very big company and they are not full. In the Facebook, you also see two colors are there, blue and white, and simple font is there. Okay, these company have all the resources and they can make a 3D logo, anything they can make, multicolor logo, but they don't make, because this is they don't know how to attract anybody. Okay, let's see. I have adjusted the logo. Now I want to change the background. So I have gone to the background elements. This one is the background element, and removed it. Simply click on that and press the delete button. Now I want to add another background. So I have written in the elements background, and in the photos I will choose the background. Okay, choose the background. We don't have the yellow crown because the yellow crown backgrounds are for paid version. So let's see which color. So I like this background. So I clicked on that background. That background will appear on my canvas. and now I adjust it. Now what's happened, that everything is not visible because background is in the middle of the elements. The background should always be in the bottom, only above the black. So we have to click here and drag it here to the second spot, second last spot. Okay. See. Okay. Now we have made a YouTube thumbnail from a template according to our need, and we almost changed it. So why we are using templates? Because it gives a framework. Okay. Now, when you're okay with your YouTube thumbnail, what should you do? Go to the share button, click it. This type of dashboard will appear on the right side. In that dashboard on the upper side, you select. We have to go to the share button. Now here we have to click download, and from that drop down we have to select JPG, and now we have to download. If we have paid version, we can increase the quality, but we can't do that. Okay. I've selected page 1 to download. Now it's downloading. After downloading, we check it how it's look. See, so in 5 to 10 minutes from templates, we have made a YouTube thumbnail. This thumbnail, we can make this thumbnail very good also, but uh, that's depend upon practice and time. You have to give some time to that. Now I am getting templates for educational purpose. Okay, YouTube thumbnail educational. So all the thumbnails which comes, they are for which purpose? They are for educational purpose. See, now I have to select one of the templates which I want to customize for myself. So I am launching a course on AI agentic. For that, I am looking for. So this template, it looks to good me because it has very appealing colors. Now I have to click on customize button. Now what should we do? First, click on that template and go to the position button and see what elements are there. See, so first I click on the, now if I click on the position button, see how many elements are there in the, almost 10 elements are there. Okay, so when you hover on any element, the element in the template comes with a square. See, if I hover in this one, enroll in our BBA program, on this template we are seeing this one, and it also shows which type of fonts it had been used in that. Okay, everything will be shown. So if you see this one, you might think that this is one element, but this is not one element. It's two elements. One is the yellow strip, and another is the text, that is apply now text. Okay, now after that, when I've seen everything, I want to make according to my need. So first I have to type that what should uh, what course should I like. So what should I do? So enroll in our BBA program. For instead of that, we have to write enroll in our AI agentic program. So I click in this click here and double click it and change the text. It's a very simple thing. See, enroll in a live AI agent class. Okay. Now we have to adjust it. Now it's overlapping this. Now we have to adjust it. How should we adjust it? We have to see, making the box big from width. So all the words are adjusted in that, and moving this one a little lower, little lower. See, you can experiment it with. See, now business administration course. There I should write AI agentic AI agent course. Okay, class, yeah, course. I have to remove this image because this image or is not going with our subject. So I've removed that image and put another image which represent AI agent. So let's see. I have lots of images. Let us see that any image I can use. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, 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 yes. Come. Yeah. So this image I like. So I drag this image onto my canvas and now resize it. Now here we are going to use frame because here you see that our picture is not looking very good. So we use a frame, either it's a circular, it's a square, any shape. Okay, and that will adjust the picture in that frame. Let's see. On the frame, I will take also one class because frame are very important. But today I am only showing. See, go to the elements, write frames. Okay, in the frames, click see all. Now I want the circular frame. This one, circular frame. So I click on that. See, so I will adjust according to my size and drag the picture on that. Now the picture is adjusted in the circular frame. Now we adjust this image according to our need. If we want to adjust the picture in the frame, double click the frame and you can adjust the image also. Okay, see. So everything you can change. You see, simply click that. You can uh, increase the size, decrease the size, change the color, change the position. Anything you can do. Okay, see, I'm creating the space between two lines. Click here, go to here T and increase the size. Okay, so I want to create something beautiful. Let's see it's happen or not. No, no, it's not looking good. Mm, 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 mm. Now I want to adjust this image in the frame. So what should I do? Okay, let's put one logo of my company. So simply come to the upload and click on the logo and adjust the size and place wherever you want. Okay, I'm placing here. Okay, after that I will make some minor adjustment here and there according to my need. See, I'm adjusting the image. Double click on the image. You can also adjust the image inside the frame also. Okay, now after that, all that, when we are okay with this thumbnail, what should we do? We have to go to the share button and download it into JPG or PNG format. So see, simply we have used only 3 to 4 colors, nothing fancy in that. We have to go to the share, download, and select JPG or PNG. You can also select. Okay, download it and check in the download button that is it okay or not. It's properly downloaded or not. Now, after that, another thing which we are going to learn is that how to make YouTube thumbnail from scratch. Okay, so in scratch we have a blank canvas and we have to decide which element and things we have to use. For that we have to write here again, we have to come here, this dashboard, we have to write YouTube thumbnail. When we write YouTube thumbnail, the first choice is a create a blank YouTube thumbnail. We have to click here. So a blank canvas will be open. So see, this black canvas has been opened. So in this canvas, we have to keep in mind, so what background we have to use and what elements we have to use and what is the topic of our YouTube thumbnail or subject of a. So first we have to decide the subject. So I am first choosing the background. I am choosing a background, that is, I'm writing in the elements, come to elements, right? Background. I'm choosing a black background. So I write it and go in the photo section, see all. Okay. Now see which color should I use. Let's see which color, which image should I use. You have lots of options here. You can use any one of them, but in the free version, don't use the images which have yellow crown. Okay, I'm using this image, this background. Okay, adjust this background according to your canvas size. Now after adjusting that, for what purpose we are going to make that? So for that I'm going to the element and I'm making a poster for AI. Okay, same thing which I have made from template. So what should I write? I should write AI. In the elements here I should write AI. Oh, okay, let's see. Actually, I've written courses on. on AI, and the courses on AI, uh, not that much things are available. So I'm going to again write the here AI only. So it is a broader term. It will give me more options. So I'm writing AI. Now after I'm going to the graph photos. Okay. Now scroll down and I will select any photo, any image. Let's see. Let's see. No, this image I can't use because this is a premium one. I like this one, this black one. Okay. I clicked it and I make some adjustment according to my need. So see what I am doing. So which background you should use, which elements you should use. This you will learn with the practice and um, study the templates and others. No, I'm copying that. See, and clicking on one of them, I am making it a little transparent. Okay, click on that. Go to that transparent button and adjust the level of transparency. Okay, so I'm adjusting the transparency and everything according to my need. I have put the image. After that, what should I do? I have to put a text also. Now, in the element, I'm looking for one graphics also. But again, I will type AI. Now I choose from graphics. Now let's see any graphic. I will like see this graphic. It's looking good. Okay, so I use the click that and drag that graphics on my canvas and adjust according to my need. So where it should look good. So this you can understand with practice. Okay, that I can't teach you. You have to practice. Okay, so after that I am typing one word which is agentic AI course. For that you have to go to the text, click on the add heading and type there. And if you want to change the font, change the font. Now increase the you want to increase the size, simply click on that and drag it from the corner button. See, drag it from the corner button. You can increase the size. So increase the size according to your need. If you want to change the font, go on the click on the font, change the font. Now after that, I want to put another text. This text I want in glow. So I've chosen a characteristic glow in from the text. So what I'm writing here, I'm writing earn. If you want to change the color of that glow, click here and go to this button and you can change the color also. Okay. So I'm changing the intensity and after that I will adjust the size. How will you adjust the size? Just click on that. One box will appear and drag it from the corner. See this corner. Now I'm adjusting the size. You want to change the color, you can change the color simply. Okay. So you will see that the YouTube thumbnail which I'm making has only two or three colors for my uh, text. I'm not adding too much colors. Now earn. So something curious I'm adding, that I'm adding something due to which somebody hits on this thumbnail and see what I have made in the video. Okay. See. So I'm writing agentic AI course, earn 2000. Now instead of writing rupees, I am writing dollars. $2,000, because it will appeal to your international customers also. If you write rupees only, then only Indian customer will see. Okay. So I want to put here dollar, so I go to elements and write dollar here and go to the graphics. In the graphics, whichever dollar I like, I have to just drag it here and resize according to our need. Now we have to adjust this according to our need. I want to write something here. I have simply done that. I have duplicated it and positioned it here and write whatever I need. And now adjust the size and font according to your need. Now see, $200 per day, $2,000 per day. Now after writing all these things, uh, I want to write one thing more, that is learn agentic AI course. Then when you learn that agentic AI course, then you can earn $2,000 per day. And the elements between these two texts, okay, represents AI. Okay. So two things you have used here. One thing is text, another thing is pictures or images. So it should tell a story, what you are giving, and by picture you they can understand. One problem with our YouTube thumbnail, that it is a static one. You can't make a video in that. You can put a uh, video in the thumbnail. So in the static image, you have to use that image and text in that manner that it will tell the whole story what is in your video, okay, or your in your content. So if I make this type of YouTube thumbnail, anybody seeing in a glance, they can understand that if I learn agentic AI course, I can earn $2,000 per day. Okay. Now making some adjustment here and there to make it more beautiful. No, it's not looking good. I should remove it. No, no. I put one more color. No, it's looking good. No, it's looking good. Now, if it's look good, what should we do? Go to share and download it in JPG or PNG format. And after downloading it, what should you do? You have to see that it's okay or not. So it's not possible for anybody to make a good YouTube thumbnail in first attempt. So you have to practice. It's looking easy for you, but even when you go and make this type of thumbnails from scratch, it will take lots of time in the first, second, or 10 attempts. After that, you will learn how to make it fast. Okay. So so this one is the thing which I have told you, that first I have told you how to make from templates, and second how to make from scratch. Now another thing is the most easiest part, how to make thumbnails from AI. and especially the AI which are present in Canva. So let's see. This actually AI is the new introduction in Canva. So we have to learn that. Let's see. Now creating YouTube thumbnail from AI. So when you go to the dashboard, this type of Canva dashboard, this type of dashboard will appear. Your designs, templates, we have used the templates. Now we click on Canva AI. When we click on Canva AI, this type of dialog box will appear. Here, lots of things were there. From there, you have to select design, not images. Okay, select design. In the design, you can make design for social media, presentation, marketing, cards and invitation, logos, anything. Lots of uh, um, under the design, lots of subsections are there. You can use any subsection according to your need. So we are going to make a YouTube thumbnail. So we are going to write here that uh, what we want. We want a YouTube thumbnail and detail of that YouTube thumbnail. Okay, in that detail we mention it that this is for this purpose and these are the details, and in the end we write which type of color scheme we want, like we want black and yellow, or we want a modern style, or we want a neon style, anything we can. So when you go and write that, it will create 4 thumbnails for you, and you can change make changes in that also. In the free version, they are allowing us to make the thumbnails from AI, but in the limited numbers in 1 month. So if you hit your quota, you will get uh, again from first of another month. Okay. So after practice, if you like it, you can buy it. It's a very good tool, and also very cheap one. 8,000. It's a 4,000 rupees per year and 500 rupees per month. So it's not that much costly. Nowadays you can make anything. You can write book here, you can make website here, you can make YouTube thumbnail from AI, you can make pictures from AI, images from AI, you can make videos from AI. Anything you can want to make, you can video editing is there, image editing is there, text editing is there, lots of apps are there. Okay, so let's uh, move further with the thumbnail. So we have to write first what we want. Create a YouTube thumbnail. If you don't want to write, click on the speaker button and speak what you want. Okay, it's that easy. So I'm writing what I want. I'm writing create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva live classes on video editing. The classes will be held on, I'm mentioning the date and time, at 9:30 p.m. on YouTube channel. I have to mention my on AI EduVista channel. If you want to mention my name, I can put there. The classes will be taken by Anup Agrawal if I want to mention it. And in the last, we have to mention which type of color we want. If you don't write it, it will make according to, okay, Anup Agrawal will conduct the class. And after that, I'm writing which color. The color scheme Could be, I'm mentioning color scheme because if you have any brand colors you can mention here. So if you have any brand color, so for that you have to know the hexa codes of the colors, mention the hexa codes here, and it will make according to your need. If you don't write it, no problem, it will make according to his. Now when you write it, just click the OK button. Now it will create 4 thumbnails for you. Let it create. Now 4 thumbnail has been created. So if you click the arrow button, you can see all the thumbnails. So whichever thumbnails you like, you can use it. If you don't like the thumbnail, you can again make it. Okay. Now it's too much neon is there. So I'm adding some monochrome colors. So I have an option here that with monochrome colors. I'm clicking on that. Okay. If you want more designs, click on that more YouTube thumbnail designs. It will give you more designs. Okay. You want some a small adjustment, write in the dialog box. This dialog box ask me, if you write anything, it will see, ask me anything. It will create according to you. Now it created 4 thumbnails again. Now let's see. So I like this thumbnail. So I double click on that. Now it's open. Now I use click on use Canva editor. Now it's come on my Canva dashboard. Now what should we do? This is now this is like template. We have to adjust according to our need. Something we can, if you want to make some adjustment here, because everything is according to our need. Live Canva video editing classes, 22nd November 9:30 p.m. No, image is not there. I want to put images here. I want to put my name here. So what should I do? Simply go first, see the elements, how many elements are there, go to position and see the elements. So if in any elements you want to make changes, go and make the changes. If you don't want to make changes, you want some add things, simply add. I'm adding a frame first. Okay, I'm adding a square frame in this neon one. Okay, and adjust the frame in that. And after that, in that frame, I will put my image. So why have used the frame? Because it will keep my image under the frame boundary. So it will look good. After that, what should I do? I have to go to the upload button. Okay, and from the upload, I I should upload, select my upload my pictures. Okay, I uploaded my one of my pictures, and after that, when upload has been completed, I should click and drag it to my canvas. Now I want this image in the another way. So I have gone to the flip clip here. See again, see that this image is looking right hand side. I want to look left hand side. So what should I do? I go to the that flip button. See, flip button is there. First, click on the image and go to flip button and click on flip horizontal. It will change the direction of the image. Okay. If you click on flip vertical, my head will come downwards. So after setting the size according to the, now I put it in the frame and now adjust it. You can adjust the size. Okay, simply click on the image and drag it. Okay, now after adjusting it according to my need, uh, see, one more thing I want to add, that is my Canva logo. So I uploaded the Canva logo. And when the loading has been completed, I have simply dragged it here, and after adjusting the size, I put it where? Where should I put? So here, the space is there. So I'm putting the Canva logo here. After that, one more thing is missing. What is missing? That is my name. So I have to simply go to the text one and click here. Now, here I write my name. After writing my name, I simply drag it. Where should I place it? Click and drag it. Now, after I'm changing my font, because this font is not looking good, and I have used another font, that is Mark Script. Okay. Now this is looking good and matching with the another font which I have written here, AI Edu Vista. Which, okay. Now after adjusting everything, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Now I'm putting one YouTube logo also there, because this is live on YouTube. So that you have to select from element. Go to the element and type YouTube. So lots of YouTube logo will be appear on the in the graphics, and from there choose any logo which you like and drag it here and adjust according to your need. Live. So when I add this image here, it's simply tell that live on YouTube. Okay, I don't have to write anything. My image is telling everything. Okay. See, after go to the position, see, elements are okay. Now if you okay with it, what will you do? Go to the download button, go to the share button and download it. Adding one more thing, neon dots. From element, I have written neon dots, and I selected one neon dots from here, place it here, making it more beautiful and change its color. I want to make, I want which color? I want yellow color. So I a blue color. Okay, let's see which color. Okay, I've chosen blue color. Now I'm duplicating it and make adjusting on the other side also. And after that, I click here and make it a little transparent. A little transparent. Okay, a little transparent. It will give a little shady effect of that. Okay. And after that, if I want same thing in here, what should I do? First, I click that. First, I click first one and then click in this one on the roller one. And this roller, I clicked on the second one. That will change the style. That will copy the style. There's a style copier. Okay. Now everything is okay. What we'll do, we are going to download it in the JPG or PNG format. And after downloading it, what will we do? We'll do check it's okay or not. So it's looking good. It's catchy. So how much time it will it's take? Only 10 minutes. After that, the last part is for thumbnail is that uh, if you don't know anything about thumbnail and it's difficult for you to create a thumbnail when you have started your YouTube journey or content creation journey. So what you can do, the simplest thing is copy. So to make copy of any thumbnail, some processes are there to make very good thumbnails. Okay, so let's see. So we are creating YouTube thumbnails by copying others' thumbnails. So for that, what we have to do? For that, we have first have a YouTube thumbnail grabber. So we are going to upload a YouTube thumbnail grabber Chrome extension that will be here. Okay, and whenever we click on that this one, um, that thumbnail will be grabbed. See, YouTube thumbnail Chrome extension. I click on that and upload the Chrome extension. You can also paste the URL link and get the thumbnail also, but install the Chrome extension, pin it. Uh, it will be easy to use. Now, what should we do? We'll go to YouTube and search for our competitors' thumbnails. So, I want to make a course on what? AI agent. So, I am writing AI agent, yeah, agentic AI tutorials. Okay, yeah, course. When I click it, lots of videos are there. So if I like thumbnail of anybody, see, so I like the thumbnail of this video. Okay, this video or this video. Okay, so this thumbnail I liked it. So I clicked on that. So its video will open. After that, what should I do? I will go to the thumbnail grabber here and click on there. Here, thumbnail grabber is there. When you click on that, thumbnail will be here. Now download that thumbnail. Okay, don't use it as it is. Make change according to your need. Now this is the thumbnail. Now after that we have to go to Chat GPT, the free version, not the paid version. Open Chat GPT. Now click the plus button and upload that thumbnail which you have downloaded. After that, write that give me a detailed JSON prompt of this YouTube thumbnail. Simple. JSON prompt as I'm asking because it will give you a detailed uh, prompt about this image in Java format. Okay, so in that we can change according to our needs. See, it's giving the full JSON prompt of the image, and if you see that in this JSON prompt, everything is there. That text, what text is there? Day 2, Google AI agent full walkthrough. Okay, and which text they have used? Bold sans serif. Okay, colors, which colors are there? So if you want to make some changes, you just copy this and make change according. Like if you want here not day 2, you can simply remove it. You want here not red color, you want here any blue color, you can write blue, you can write black here. Okay, then the whole prompt and change according to your need. Let's see. Now I have got the prompt. So what should I do? I have to copy it and paste it into any image generator. So lots of image generator are there. You can try everywhere like Neonado and everywhere. I am using ideogram. That is very good. It gives the best result. Okay, you can use in the what we'll say Gemini also, Nano Banana, or you can also use in the Chat GPT also. After making some changes in this prompt, let's see. I'm showing how we can make the changes. Now I'm typing ideogram. Okay, click on the ideogram. and paste your prompt here. Okay. Now from here you have to select 16 is to 19, and now make change whatever you want. Like I want to remove day 2, so I have removed day 2. Okay. Now let's see. Now here also day 2 is there. I have to remove this day 2. Okay. I can add anything. Add if you want to remove AI agent full walkthrough, I can remove that. I can add write anything there. So now the cartoon style girl with long dark hair. So I am putting here a robot. Okay. So I remove cartoon style robot. No. Now another thing what we have to remove, that long dark hair, because it's not a girl. Only we have to remove long dark hair. So we have to read the prompt and make changes according to our need. Okay. Now here again day 2 is there. We have to remove the day 2. Now again here cartoon woman is there. We have to remove cartoon woman. Woman we have to remove woman and place a robot there. Okay. After see, come down, come down. Now if your prompt is okay, we have to click on generate. Okay. Generate. Now it will give you 4 YouTube thumbnails. Now it will take some time. Let's try on another image generators. Does it work good or not? Let's see. Now I'm opening Meta AI. Let's see which type of image it will give. I've experimented lots of with lots of image generate, but ideogram is the best. Ideogram and Leonardo. Even Nano Banana doesn't make very good. Let's see. See, see, it's making 4 images. Now, see that ideogram has already created. See, see that thumbnail. How beautiful it has made the thumbnail. Now, whichever thumbnail you like, you can download. You can download 4 of the thumbnails, and you can make changes on the in that thumbnail in going to the right panel. All things are written. You can make changes from here also. Okay. So, so this is the thumbnail made by the Mitai. Is not that good and that explanatory. So we don't use it. We use the ideogram one. Now I'm also going to Nano Banana. Let's see which type of how good image it will create. Now we use now I write it everything on Nano Banana and simply click it. Now it's creating the thumbnail. Let's see which. See, it has created the thumbnail, but it is not that good. Ideogram's thumbnail was the best one. Okay. So this was the ideogram thumbnail. So if you want to use that, you can Simply use it. Okay. By this way, you can make thumbnails by copying other thumbnails and making it your own. Okay. And one thing more, if you want to create thumbnails, there are lots of sites also where thumbnails are there. You can use that also. I'm not telling you how to use, because uh, you can use the thumbnails directly, or you can customize the downloading the thumbnail and customizing it on the Canva or any other editor. Let's see. I will show you some sites. So for that, what should you do? Simply go to the Google, go to the Google and write here YouTube thumbnail templates websites. Okay. First Canva is coming. After that, lots of this one Kittle is there. It's a very good one. Pickmaker is there. So simply click on that. Okay. So lots of thumbnail will come. Okay. You can you have to log it first. Okay. After logging it, it will authorize you to use it. In Kittle, one thing is very good, that it has its editor also. So one self tutorial video is there. If you want to see, you can see it. Okay. So you can start from a scratch also here, and you can, if you want to, like mock up. Let me see. If you write YouTube thumbnail, another one. This one, lots of thumbnails are there. So whichever you want to use according to your need. Like if you want this thumbnail, just click. No, this you can't use because this has with yellow star, or this is for paid version. So if you want to use this one, click here. This is there. Okay. And edit this template. So for editing, you have to sign. It's a free one. Paid one also is there with premium. Oh, some error is there. Let me see again. I've, I'm looking for YouTube thumbnail. Lots of thumbnail are there. You can write your whichever topic you want. Like if I want to edit this one, I like this one. Okay, so click on that. Like this editor is like Canva. So when first open it, it will give you a tool how to use it. Okay. Now this template has been opened. So whatever you want to change, simply see wherever you go, you click. You want to change this one yoga for. You want to write men. Simply write the men. You want to change the font, select it, and see font is there, size is there. Okay, anything you can change. Effects are there. Okay. If you want to change the image, you can change the image. You can't want to put any image here, go to image section. See, the photos are there in the left side. Click here. Lots of photos are there. If you want photo on yoga, write yoga here. It will give you the photo which are in the pic maker. But never use the images which have that yellow diamond. This is premium one. This is for paid one. Okay. So if you like, if you want to add this one, okay. So simply you can add, click there, and you can add this one into your image according to your need. Now, after that, what should we do? Because everything have gone behind. So we click here, layers. Okay, we have to put it back. See, if you put back, it's backward. This type of now adjust the size and everything. So same process is there. Now you can add anything you want to add, text, anything, background, anything you want to add. Okay. After that, download it simply. Here, download button is there. Download it. Okay. Download. In which format you want? Yeah, in JPG format. Okay. Now it's downloading. Now simply click here. You can see your download. So in 5 minutes, you make a thumbnail for yoga. It's ads. It's very easy. Okay. So today we have learned how to make thumbnails from templates, from scratch, from AI, and from copying the best thumbnails which are available on the YouTube, and lots of templates from YouTube, thumbnail templates from the uh, different websites. Okay, so you don't have to pay money for that. If you want very good one, you can go for upgrade, but don't go for other site. You can go for upgrade in the Canva. You can buy the Canva, because it give you not only the template for your YouTube thumbnail, it will give you templates for everything, including the editor. Okay, also the AI. So use it, and in the group I will share the book. Please read the book, and our next session will on Friday, and in that session I will cover how to use frames, and some new features has come uh, in editing images. So these two topics I'm going to cover in the on Friday session, that will be on the 9:30. And if you have any problem or anything you want, you can write me, and if you have any suggestion, write on the group, and I will really see it, and please see the book because it's take lots of effort from my side to make that book. And if you read it, you will very good in the YouTube thumbnail maker. And if you are very good in the YouTube thumbnail maker, you not make thumbnails for yourself. You can make thumbnail from for earning yourself also, because for one thumbnail you can get a minimum of 500 rupees, and maximum is no limit, depending upon for which person you are making the thumbnail. Okay, so if you are making a thumbnail for a good YouTuber, then they will pay you anything. So first practice it. It's a very good thing and very easy to learn, and you can simply practicing for 1 week to 1 month. You can simply start your earning from there. Okay, one way also is making templates, uh, thumbnail templates that you can also sell on Canva also. Okay, so thank you and good night, and we will meet again on Friday at 9:30 with frames and image editing's uh, new features. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.